Hello, I'm Priscilla Archangel, and my leadership insight for you today is leading in the midst of differences. These days, leaders are increasingly facing expectations to respond to circumstances and situations that occur outside the work environment, and circumstances about which their employees and society have strong yet differing opinions. No matter how or if these leaders respond, many will be criticized, either for not doing enough or for doing too much. These leaders recognize their teams represent a broad range and complexity of values and beliefs. And at the same time, they understand the importance of their role in engaging the group to collaborate, to support one another, and to deliver results for their organizations. So, how can leaders create and support a positive work environment in the midst of such differences? They do that by modeling the following behaviors. The first is make people feel safe. Safety and security is a basic human need, and psychological safety includes ensuring employees understand that pressure of any kind to promote or align with certain perspectives is really not acceptable in the workplace. Team leaders shouldn't use their power and privilege to negatively impact team members whose personal views may not align with theirs. Instead, demonstrate appreciation and helpful ideals in your behavior. Second, bring people together. Identify and celebrate the things everyone can agree on. Encourage teams to talk about the beliefs they share. And frequently, colleagues have similar goals, though they may have different approaches in reaching them. Certain terms may trigger negative emotional responses, so leaders should be mindful to think carefully about the words that they use. Third, show them you care. Now, what does that feel like? It feels like acceptance and belonging. We all have the same basic needs to be loved, included, and cared for. As a leader, take tangible steps to demonstrate that each person is valued. Create a nurturing environment that encourages professional growth and development. Fourth, respect their right to make their decisions. All of us will make good, better, best, or regrettable decisions in some area of life. We'll typically only ask for advice from those we respect and who respect us. So offering an unsolicited opinion or shaming others for their decisions rarely has any positive effect. Encourage respect for everyone's right to make personal choices and the need to acknowledge that differing points of view do exist. And fifth, get to know others as individuals. Like all of us, each person has strengths and weaknesses, hopes and fears, dreams and desires, and their beliefs and values are deeper than a particular topic. We all may differ on the surface, but take the time to sit down, share a meal, share a cup of coffee, share a walk down the hall. Build more personal relationships and forge connections by finding out what you have in common. In the midst of this, each leader has their own values and beliefs about current events and world issues. Demonstrating these behaviors is not designed to minimize their own concerns. However, in the context of the work environment, supporting team members to accomplish their own goals and deliver excellent value to customers is crucial to the success of the organization. Your ability to encourage team members to find common ground will set an example for others to follow. The great leaders that I've seen celebrated were recognized because they made people feel worthy, like they belong, and like they're important no matter what their position is in the organization. Even great leaders who are trying to motivate team members to better performance can do so in a caring way. They touch others' hearts, they see the good in them. They bring out the best in others. They support their team's future. They see possibilities instead of limitations. Embed this in your culture. Model behavior that accepts and values everyone. Thanks for listening.